Hey guys, I'm back. If you watched my previous video, you know that I just made slime and I had to wait for 45 minutes. And I'm back. I'm right here next to my refrigerator. It's been about 47 minutes because I was packing my dad's and mom's lunch. And let's get into the fridge and take that slime out. So, that's how it looks. I got my glitter and my spoon. Let me just turn this camera around. So I'm going to put the glitter in first. So I'm putting about a little bit, like that much in. And then just gonna stir it. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks beautiful. I'll show you guys right now. I just need to mix it. Mix it more because it doesn't need that amount of mixing. It needs more mixing. You just need to mix it until you know that it's formed and you can touch it and stuff. So still mixing it. I'm mixing it very fast. I just like to mix it fast when I'm making slime. Ooh. Ooh. I think it looks good. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks right now. Sorry for the bad lighting. I'm in the kitchen, but this is how it looks. It's like pink blossom. See those sparkles? I think it works. Here, let's see. Let's touch it. Let me just mix it a little bit more. The last one I had to mix it a lot to really touch it and pick it up. The other one was very liquid, but I put less water in this time. So let's see. Sorry for the bad lighting. So let's touch it. It's pretty good. It's kind of dirty, but it is good. I think it is good slime. So yeah.